Remedies presents unbelievable 4-ingredient mixture that will unclog your arteries in just 3 weeks. Old German remedy. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I will share with you a naturally prepared medicine from Germany which is made up of healing ingredients that will clear your arteries right up. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. The recipe has been passed over for centuries in Germany. It is simple and it is effective. Some of the health benefits you will get by consuming this drink are: treat atherosclerosis, treat cold and flu, improves your immune system, detox your liver, prevent calcification in organism, fight against vascular congestion, helps prevent infection, lowers your cholesterol. If you want to improve your overall health, including decreasing your cholesterol, boosting your immunity, and helping to prevent infections, then this is the remedy for you. The 3 main components of this natural remedy have incredible health properties which are very beneficial to the body. Let's see how to make it. It is really easy to make. Ingredients: 4 organic lemons, leave their peel on, 1 ginger root, around 3 to 4 cm is fine, 4 large garlic heads, 2 liters of water. Preparation: wash the lemons and cut them into pieces. Peel the garlic and add it with the lemons and ginger in a blender. Add the blended mixture in a metal bowl. Pour 2 liters of water and heat all together by stirring until the boiling point. Once boiled, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool down. Strain through a medium strainer and fill in glass bottle. How to consume it? Drink 1 glass every day. To gain the incredible benefits from this old German remedy, it is best to consume the liquid 2 hours before a meal or on an empty stomach. You should keep this up for 3 weeks, then have 1 week break and start the mixture for another 3-week period again. This is the best way to really enjoy the benefits of this powerful drink. How to store? Make sure you keep the drink in the refrigerator at all times to keep it fresh. Shake the bottle well before consuming. If you find the drink a little difficult to drink on a regular basis, you can add honey to the mixture to taste. You should start to notice the health benefits after the first 3-week period. But to make sure the effects are long-lasting, you should still continue to undertake the second 3-week long period. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.